Oh yeah, this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house, guys, coming to you live from Vietnam. And looks like, we're having a very much a huge red card day, guys. I can tell you that the Debbie Downer Bear is happy like crazy. Maybe I should let the Debbie Downer Bear take over the video, because he's just happy because we're seeing that the whole crypto markets are red. We're seeing that the broader markets are also down, down right now. We're seeing the pre-markets are also pretty gnarly in the house, and we're just seeing crypto overall going down, down. So I'm going to tell you about the 3 reasons, 1, 2, 3 reasons why a cryptocurrency is going down, guys. This is, the Ric Flair of crypto, woo, in the house, guys. I know a lot of you are not excited to see such a Debbie Downer Monday morning. So all of you in America that are just waking up and you're seeing this whole really gnarly redness out there, it's illuminating and it's irritating at the same time. But, overall, don't panic. We've seen this before. We've seen this kind of volatility before. We have all these longs that are getting wiped out, creating a long squeeze. That is why the price is going down. And also, too, we got the CPI data coming out on Tuesday as well. So you're going to see the market is pretty jittery right now. And also, we're seeing the DYX as well. We're seeing the DYX is like at the highest it's ever been in a long time. That is also what is causing Bitcoin to come down. So with that being said, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG in-house guys expressing his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys already know that. You've been watching my channel for a long time. So all I got to say, guys, is, what can I say except, we're just going to have to work with this. Remember, the OG is walking with you step by step, minute by minute, second by second. I'm behind you 100%. So let's jump into the content without any further delay out there, guys. Let's get into the content, guys, because I know you want it. I know you want it bad. So right now we're seeing that the U.S. markets are down, down, and this is not looking too good. We're seeing that the Nasdaq is down over 1%. So this is going to have an on-put cascading event for the rest of the day. It's just going to be down, guys. We're seeing S&P is also down, and Dow Jones is down. So it's just going to be a nasty time in there. And you guys all know that Elon Musk said that he's not going to be joining the board, yada. We saw the Twitter stocks have tank. But what you guys don't understand is that one of the reasons why Elon Musk is doing this is, quite frankly, what Elon Musk is doing is he doesn't want to be in the board, because if he's on the board, then he's only restricted to buying about 14% of the total stock. So from my opinion, and what I think Elon is doing right now is Elon is absolutely doing one thing. He is actually getting prepared to buy more and more. And there's some rumors that Elon Musk is going to be taking a majority position in Twitter. So if that happens, he's going to have full control. And also, too, I think Elon thinks that he can probably work better from the outside than within the inside. But I think that we're going to get a huge announcement soon that Elon Musk is going to be taking the majority of the positions on Twitter. So if he takes 51% and take control of Twitter, then it's going to be inevitable that we have the Dogecoin jar. We have Dogecoin will be the cryptocurrency of Twitter, guys. And that's going to be huge in the house, guys. Absolutely going to be huge in the house. So I think that's actually going to be inevitable. And I think this is all timing correctly. We had the Texas Gigabyte launch with the Doge drones and the light show. So that is pretty good. Then we had the Twitter purchase announcement. So that is good. Then we kind of had the hints and smatterings of, Dogecoin tip jar, Dogecoin to be the payment for Twitter. So I think all these things have led to where we are now. And I think that we're going to see Dogecoin buy approximately 51% of Twitter. So if that happens, then Dogecoin is going to become the one of the biggest platforms out there, guys, and it's going to be really huge. So we're seeing a lot of red, guys. We're seeing a lot of carnage, guys. So what you should be doing out there, do one thing. Buy the fear, guys. Absolutely buy the fear. Don't panic in the house. You guys should be absolutely buying the fear. I'm buying the fear. You should be buying the fear too, guys. So we're seeing that everything is down like crazy. We're seeing Ethereum is getting pretty close to slip below $3,000 in the house. So that is not good. That's absolutely not good. We're seeing that BTC as well is going down, down. The Bitcoin dominance is also going up, guys. So that is not good. So, Bitcoin is dropping beneath 41K. Ethereum is going down. Shiba Inu is going down. Dogecoin is going down. So some of the 3 reasons that we're seeing that Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is going down. As investor fear, the sentiment is going down. But remember, buy the fear, guys. Buy the fear. Dollar cost average. You're seeing the DYX is going down and the Fed tightening concerns. So we're seeing right now that the dollar index, which gauges greenbacks value versus different currencies, has hit a 2-year high, guys. Has hit a 2-year high, and that is not good. Typically, when the DYX is high, Bitcoin tends to go down, guys. So this month, the global reserve currency has gained 1.64%, according to data provided by TradingView. And a strengthening DYX might impact cryptocurrency prices as Bitcoin and altcoins are paired against USD, guys. So that is another reason that we're seeing that Bitcoin is going down. We also have the tightening concerns. On Monday morning, we saw that the 10-year Treasury yield surpassed 2.76, and while the 5-year and 30-year rates remain inverted, guys. So that is not good in the house. Then we had the FOMC meeting. We had the interest hikes. We had FT Pool that dumped 6,000 Bitcoin just before the Miami Bitcoin show. So all of this cascading stuff has created kind of this perfect storm. We have a whole bunch of longs out there. We got all these longs out there right now. The long positions are $350 million of wreckage out there, $121,000 worth of traders that got wrecked, guys. These leverage apes, they don't learn, and we're even seeing in the last 24 hours $8.8 million worth of Dogecoin got wrecked, guys, and we're still seeing all of these darned long positions picking up. These guys just can't stop themselves. And every time they start picking up more and more long positions, what's happening out there is we're seeing that the Bitcoin price is just going down, down. We're seeing that, overall, we're seeing these huge long positions, guys. And the market makers are going to create these hunter wicks, and they're going to keep pushing the Bitcoin price down. And when that happens, it's going to take the Dogecoin away. It's going to take everything down with it. And people are just not waking up and learning that leverage trading is bad. It is bad, and it's one of the fundamental reasons why we see all this volatility. Because, what determines the price of Bitcoin is not people buying on OTC, like, a Michael Saylor and all these big companies. What dictates the price of Bitcoin is the exchanges. And remember, the main culprits of future and leverage trading is the exchanges. So what they want to do is they want to take the liquidity from you, the retail trader out there. And remember, the leverage traders, the majority are retailers. Joe Nancy, Joe Public out there. And they're getting wrecked time and time again. They're getting wrecked, and they just won't learn. I do not understand why they won't learn. It's just crazy. So this also coming, the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter in the last hour: BTC, XRP, ETH88, Doge, SHIB, Wax, Digibyte in the house, Luna, Tuna, and ENS, guys. So, people are still talking about the Doge. The Dogecoin sentiment is picking up, absolutely picking up. More people are tweeting about it. More people are twatting about it. It's very good in the house. And we're seeing the total amount of nodes still running. As I talked about in my earlier videos, about 4,800 nodes out there, and we got 9 Starlink nodes, so that's pretty good. I thought this was a cool and wacky. And if you're wondering where I'm getting this information from, you can go to what-is-dogecoin.com, and there's tons of information, some games out there. So guys, get it. You're gonna love it. This is coming in from Benghazi as well. We're seeing that Dogecoin on a volatility roller coaster as Elon Musk is touting meme coin fails to give definite momentum. So, yesterday we saw that Dogecoin was going up. We had lots of momentum. We had all this positivity coming from from Elon Musk announcement. One of the fundamental reasons that we're seeing Dogecoin going down, down, is because this whole board thing. Now, a lot of the Nancy Drews and Joe Public out there, they don't understand that Bitcoin, Elon Musk, I'm getting my words right. I'm going to get to work. I need some alien intervention out there. So, one of the things that the retail investors and the Joe Public doesn't understand, that the reason that Elon Musk decided to back out from the board was not because he doesn't want to have involvement. He doesn't want to have, he doesn't want to work with Twitter. Completely the opposite. He doesn't want to be on the board because it's going to restrict how many shares he can buy, ladies and gentlemen. So for him, not being on the board is going to allow him to take more and more shares, and hopefully he will take full control over the Twitter. And for him to do that, he needs about 51%, right? About 51% thereabouts, and then he'll have full control of Twitter, and he'll be able to determine exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. So we're seeing Dogecoin volatility roller coaster right now. We're seeing things going up, things going down. And if we look at the 24-hour change, it's down like 1.5%. Against Bitcoin, this is against Bitcoin. 24-hour against Bitcoin is also down, down. And if we look at the Dogecoin factors right now in the house, Doge was among the most mentioned coins on Twitter, and it attracted 411 tweets in the last 24 hours. So that is pretty good. And we're seeing that, right now, Dogecoin has some key resistance levels. Technical breakout launched Doge on a 4-hour uptrend earlier, but that has been invalidated because of Elon Musk, right? On the weekend, according to Bengaza, Melanie in house, the coin has resistance above 16 and 17.6 and support below 14.6 and 13.5. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin right now is at 14.14, so 14.14. So that is well below our support levels right now. So we have support level at 14.6 and 13.5. So it looks like based on this, we should be seeing ourselves going down to 13.5, which is around about this area here. So I'm not looking forward to the Doge Warrior going down on 13.5. We need it definitely to be getting up. So hopefully we can stay in this zone because we do have some support at 14.5 in the house. So hopefully we can stay above that. I'm hoping we can stay above that. That would be really cool beans in the house, guys. So hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying out there, and you guys are loving everything out there. So I'm loving it. You're loving it. Let's get it, guys. So hopefully Doge will stay above 14, and right now Doge is at 14.17. So hopefully we'll get some build up going to the upside, and hopefully more and more people will realize that that Elon Musk not being on the board is a calculated tactic by Elon Musk, so he can ape into Twitter and buy more of the Twitter, guys. So that is what that's all about. We're seeing right now from Bitcoin, we're seeing a just-in mammoth sentiment cycle. It looks like it could be coming in, and if you look at that, typically we have a wall of worry. We had that. We had the aversion. So we're heading into a aversion phase, and then we have the denial, and then we have returning confidence. So based on this pattern, this is called the just-in mammoth sentiment cycle. We could be looking at moving into the denial phase, and then after that, moving into the returning confidence phase, which will take Bitcoin uppity up, guys. So that is pretty cool if that happens. And this is from Crypto Rover, and he's saying, well, look, Bitcoin is just warming up, guys, just warming up. I still think that all this Debbie Downness, Bitcoin going to 41 is definitely pre-programmed, pre-printed by the market makers, and they're doing that to shake out as much liquidity, and they're doing it to make the retailers absolutely blow their load and lose their coins, guys. So what you should be doing is stacking the sats. And if you look at 2013 to 16, 2016 to 2021, we can and now we can see something seriously and eerily similar, guys. So you saw in 2013 we had higher highs, went up to 2, we had higher lows, and then we painted the 6, and we had that blow off top. We saw the same thing in 2021, and it looks like in 2021 to 2022 we could be doing the same thing, guys. So it's looking pretty cool in the house that we could see this coming. And I'm not worried because by 2024, 2025, we could be seeing $500,000 incoming for Biddy. And of course, that's going to take Doge up to like $3, guys, $3 or $4 by 2025. So I'm not panicky in the house. It's just a matter of a waiting game. And remember, don't panic and don't get emotional. And it looks like, if you take a look at this here right now, you can see that the testnet for the movement of Ethereum to POS is on track, guys, and it has been successful. So we're getting closer and closer to the Ethereum merge where we're moving to POS. So that is pretty cool beans in the house, guys. You should be loving it. I'm loving it. And this is from TA Analyst. He said that most likely next month we could see a target of $139,000 incoming in 2022 for the Biddy. So I believe this, guys, and we see this ascending triangle continuation pattern happening on a weekly time frame. And he's predicting that we could be seeing $139,000 incoming for December. Sure, we're going to have some peaks. We're going to have some valleys. We're going to have some, craziness out there. We're going to have some panic. We're going to have some fun. But overall, I believe that if Wendy Trendy is your friend, zoom out, guys, zoom out, and you're going to see that we're on the right track. Sure, on the shorter time frame, it's not looking too good right now. So that is what that's all about, guys. So let's take a look at the Biddy right now. So we're seeing Biddy right now has dropped below my $42,000 support level. So that is kind of a dangerous perspective to be in, but I'm still not worried. If I look at Biddy on the weekly, we're basically moving back into our horizontal support that was from $42,000 to $38,000. And this held as good support for a very long time. If we take a look at our parallel channel, we're still looking okay, guys. We're still above our parallel channel line, and that's okay, guys. We've seen ourselves dip here before, and then once we had a big dip below this parallel channel line, then boom chakalaka, we saw Bitcoin explode, guys. So we could be seeing that happening again and again. and it's just a matter of time, guys. It's just a matter of time. We're seeing Ethereum right now is at 3,047. There's probably a good probability that we're going to drop below $3,000. So buckle up, guys. Get ready. You've been warned, guys. You've been warned. There's also a high probability, a high degree that we're going to see Phantom also go down to $1. I don't want to see that, but this is a reality, guys. It's absolutely coming if Dogecoin continues to bleed out. We're also seeing right now that Solana in the house is $103. Is exactly on our support level. So we could be expecting Solana to drop down to about $93, $94 in the house. So get ready, get prepared. But this is a great opportunity to DCA on Thursday. Typically, if on Thursday I still see that the prices are so low and crypto's on discount, I'm going to be double DCAing. I'm going to increase my DCA amount times 2, guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So this is what's happening, guys. It's absolutely what's happening. We're seeing that ADA is below $1. It's at $95. So I'm a buyer below $1, guys. I'm going to be aping into ADA as well. Let's take a look at total market cap right now. The total market cap is not looking good. We have fallen from the holy land of 2 trillion, and we're now down at 1.92 trillion. So it's not looking too good. We're seeing that in the last 24 hours, the volume is still pretty light. We're not seeing big volumes, but look at the Bitcoin dollars. The Bitcoin dollars is going up, guys, and this is not good. So, guys, let's take a look at the carnage in the house. Gotta get the glass on. I'm gonna go blind from all the redness out there. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is down 3.64%. It's at $41,000 and some change. We're seeing Ethereum is down 6%. We're seeing BNB is down 4.25%. Let's hope that BNB can hold $400. That's going to be really amazing if we can do that. We're seeing Tuna is down 7.2%. Solana is down 72%, and it's just above $102. Let's hope we can stay above $100. Luna is down as well, 7%. ADA is down 7%. Avalanche is down 8.8%. Wow, woo woo. But you guys can see that. Look, if you take a look at some of the coins that I've been picking up, we're seeing the last 7 days that Solana is down 22%. So this is a perfect bargain, guys. This is a perfect opportunity to be buying the dips, guys. So this is cool. We're also seeing Luna is also down 22%. So who wouldn't want to be aping into Luna during this time to pick up the dips, guys? These things are on a huge discount. We're seeing that also. Avalanche is on a huge discount. Now look at the Doge, guys. Doge is doing much better than layer ones. Doge is not on a huge discount, guys. We're looking at the DOT. DOT is also on a huge discount as well. So we're seeing a lot of discounts out there. Matic is on sale. So guys, definitely this is time to go bargain shopping, guys. Buy the dippy dip, buy the double dip, guys. You absolutely want it. So with that being said, guys, go and follow me on my Twitter. We got about 4,270 followers. Follow. Smash the likes, subscribe, boop that like, and don't forget to give super chats in the house, guys. Don't forget to go and check out the links. Get the links, guys. Get the links. Get the links. Get the links. I want the links. You want to get the links. Don't forget to check out the merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got the mug. Get all the great merch, guys. Remember, all the merch, all the membership, all the shoes that goes to charity, guys. So get it, guys. So with that being said, that's going to end this video right here, guys. So I just say, God bless each and every one of you. It's absolutely a red day. It's a red card day. It's a Debbie Downer Bear day. It's an absolute slaughter out there. Buy the fear, guys. Actually, buy the fear. There's blood in the streets when it comes to crypto right now. So don't panic. There's a lot of good projects on sale, guys. A lot of good projects are on 20% discount. 22% discount. You guys absolutely want it, guys. Get it. And do not panic in the house, guys. I'm loving it. You're loving it. Let's get it. This is Ric Flair of Crypto in the House. Woo! I'll see you in the next one tomorrow morning around about 11:30 a.m. Bangkok time. Will be in the next video. So set your alarms, set your clocks. Let's get it. Be blessed. Be well. Be humble. Crypto is a jungle out there. Absolutely, it's a jungle out there. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Let's get it. Woo!